Hi everyone, I'm Chris Dolan, Director of Training at Trauma Services and former investigator with the Massachusetts State Police for 27 years. For more than 3 decades, Trauma Services has been the industry leader in biohazard remediation and safety training. Building on this legacy, we're proud to introduce a new suite of workshops specifically designed for our law enforcement partners. These courses cover a range of specialized topics including basic and advanced fingerprint analysis, crime scene and forensic photography, along with introduction to crime scene investigation and crime scene processing. Each course is specifically designed to provide hands-on practical knowledge that will enhance the participants' investigative capabilities in real-world scenarios. As a company that has partnered with countless local, state, and federal agencies, we are committed to supporting you in managing and navigating hazardous situations effectively. Come and join us and elevate your capabilities to serve and protect with even greater confidence and expertise. To request more information about our training or to view a full list of courses, click the link below or visit our website at traumaservices.com.